Step into the house, take a look around. Open up your eyes, see what can be found. Rooms filled with sunlight, shining through the blinds. Every corner's whispering its secrets you will find. Walking through the hallways,